Adrian here, and this is take 2 of Fly the F100 in the snow, and we got to get this going. I don't want snow accumulating on it, so we're going to put the hat cam on. We're going to get the GoPro going. Go GoPro, go GoPro. And we're going to click start recording. Freaking wind almost blew it out of my hands, man. This wind is ridiculous. I don't even know how strong it is. I didn't look up. I kind of just wanted to come right out. Here we go. Here's a look at the drone. We're gonna fly into it. So I'm getting snow in my eyes, man. So I had this out earlier on an older battery, and immediately I got a low voltage warning. So this is the stock battery on the stock charger. It just came off it. So we'll see if we get the same low voltage warning. I think my hat cam just said low voltage, which isn't cool. This thing's handling the wind no problem. When I say it's windy, it's windy. I've said it's windy before and it hasn't been this windy. Like, we're in the midst of a serious winter storm. Kind of just trying to chill there, get some nice flight footage. It's able to chill. I am in the second speed setting. I don't suggest an inexperienced pilot doing this by any means. We're going to try to just climb a little bit. I don't want to climb too high because a gust could turn this over. And it is grabbing. It's grabbing. So we're going to come back down. Coming towards ourselves, it's going to be quick, so I'm just going to pan back that way because it gains momentum with the wind. We'll go ahead and bring it this way, try to slow it down, gain control. Let's gain control. Yeah, right. Here we go. Here we go. I'm trying to get you a good shot of this, but the wind's not helping. There's a nice shot of it. Woo! Not taking my head off. Bugs 3 is a beast. This is the F100 Ghost drone. It's a Bugs 3 clone, and she is flying. Yes, she is. Nose down and fight that wind. Eat that wind. I do have the legs on.
So the legs on this I kind of have bulldogged out. That way they're not catching in the framework. And we're not going to jabberjaw through the rest of this. We're going to pipe in some music for you guys. Enjoy the flight. Again, this was 20 mile an hour wind, 25 to 30 mile an hour gust. Guys, I'm J Drone. If you haven't subscribed, smash that subscribe button. Check out Drone Days on Facebook and check out my Instagram. It'll be down below.